Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is gamma distribution. In the gamma distribution we are going to learn the raw moments of gamma distribution. So we shall start with the raw moments about origin. The definition of raw moments about origin. If x follow gamma with parameter theta and n, then the raw moments about origin of gamma distribution is defined as mu r dash is equal to expectation of x raised to r. We know that the raw moments are denoted by mu r dash. We shall calculate the raw moments in case of gamma distribution. So, which is equal to integration minus infinity to infinity x raised to r fx dx. Since x is a continuous random variable, so we obtained raw moments by using integration. As x is a gamma integral, gamma distribution, range of gamma distribution is 0 to infinity, x raised to r theta raised to n divided by gamma n e raised to minus theta x x raised to n minus 1 dx. We shall take the constants outside the integration, theta raised to n divided by gamma n, integration 0 to infinity x raised to n plus r minus 1 e raised to minus theta x dx. We know that the integral 0 to infinity x raised to n plus r minus 1 e raised to minus theta x dx is a gamma integral. We obtained its value by comparing with the gamma integral, integration 0 to infinity x raised to n minus 1 e raised to minus ax dx, and which is gamma n divided by a raised to n. By comparing this equation 1 with the integral, we get mu r dash is equal to theta raised to n divided by gamma n into gamma n plus r divided by theta raised to n plus r. Here the theta raised to n and theta raised to n get cancelled, so it is gamma n plus r divided by gamma n into theta raised to r. This is the earth raw moment about origin for r equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Now we need the first 4 raw moments. So we shall calculate the first 4 raw moments by putting the value of r as 1, 2, 3 and 4 in this general formula of earth raw moment about origin. So put r equal to 1 in mu r dash, we get mu 1 dash equal to gamma n plus 1 divided by gamma n into theta raised to 1. We know that gamma n plus 1 can be written as n plus 1 minus 1 gamma n plus 1 minus 1, since gamma n equal to n minus 1 gamma n minus 1 by using this formula, divided by gamma n theta. So it is n gamma n divided by gamma n theta. Gamma n get cancelled. Therefore, mu1 dash is equal to n by theta, which is equal to mean of gamma distribution, expectation of x. This is the first raw moment about origin. We shall substitute r equal to 2 in mu1 mu r dash. We get mu2 dash is equal to gamma n plus 2 divided by gamma n theta square, which is, by expanding this gamma n plus 2 we get n plus 1 gamma n plus 1 divided by gamma n theta square. We need further expansion of gamma n plus 1, so it is n into gamma n divided by gamma n theta square. This gamma n get cancelled, so it is n into n plus 1 upon theta square. This is the second put r equal to 3, we get mu3 dash equal to gamma n plus 3 divided by gamma n theta raised to 3. We expand this gamma n plus 3 times, so it becomes n plus 2 n plus 1 n and gamma n divided by gamma n into theta cube. This gamma n get cancelled. It become mu3 dash is equal to n plus 1 n plus 2 divided by theta raised to 3. This is the third raw moment about origin. Now we shall calculate the fourth raw moment, mu4 dash, by putting r equal to 4 in mu r dash. Mu4 dash is equal to gamma n plus 4 divided by gamma n theta raised to 4. By applying the formula of expansion of gamma n, we get this is n plus 3 gamma n plus 3 divided by gamma n theta raised to 4. Further we can expand gamma n plus 3 till we get gamma n. So it is n plus 2 n plus 1 into n into gamma n. In each step one value is reducing. At the last we get gamma n. So it is n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 1 n gamma n get cancelled. Therefore mu4 dash becomes n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 3 divided by theta raised to 4. This is the fourth raw moment of gamma distribution about origin. In this way, in this lecture, we learn the definition of raw moments and the calculation or derivation of first 4 raw moments in the gamma distribution. If student like this lecture, then click on the like button share with your friends, and subscribe to Learn Statistics channel. Many more concepts from the gamma distribution and other topics are also discussed in the Learn Statistics channel. If a student want to learn all the lectures, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are given in the description box. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.